How to check how many hours you have on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can check how many hours you have played a particular game on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you know that on PS5 they do allow you to actually go ahead and then see the number of hours played on PS5. If you want to view the similar type of PS4 as well, what you need to do is you need to go to this profile section here, and when you go to the profile section you can go to games, but unfortunately over here on the right hand side you can see you have all the progress bar, which I played the game up to 28%, but there is not the data as to how many hours you have played. Now it is actually not possible on PS4 now, unfortunately, but there is still one solution that you can do, and that is that if your friend has a PS5, let's say for example, or if someone you know has a PS5, you can log in your same PSN account to this PS5, and there you will be able to see the number of hours played for a game. It doesn't really mean that you have to play the game on the PS5 because your account has the data as to how many hours you have played. Just the fact is that your PS4 is not showing it to you. So when you log in that same account on the PS5 of your maybe your friends or someone else, and when you come to this section you should be able to see the play time as well. So this way you will be able to check how many hours you have on PS4. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.